How to fix Instagram video call sound on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video call sound on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps. Now click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, click force stop, go to storage, clear cache. After that go to permissions, make sure all of those permissions are enabled, and don't make sure microphone and camera is allowed. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, or you have iPhone or something like that, then just turn off your Wi-Fi, close all applications in the background, close Instagram, restart your phone, open it again and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.